Imagine walking into your home and being greeted by the sweet, natural scent of fresh flowers. No artificial air fresheners, just pure nature. Today, we're sharing 10 of the best-smelling flowers that will make your home feel like a fresh, fragrant paradise. Let's dive in. 1. Jasmine, Jasminum spp. Jasmine is one of the most famous fragrant flowers, filling your home with a sweet, exotic scent, especially at night. Arabian jasmine is perfect for indoor growing, as long as it gets plenty of bright light. Just one plant can make your whole room smell heavenly. 2. Gardenia, Gardenia jasminoids. Gardenias are pure elegance. Their creamy white flowers have a rich, intoxicating fragrance, making them a favorite for bedrooms and living spaces. But they do love humidity, so a little misting helps them stay happy. 3. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia. If you love a fresh, calming scent, lavender is a must-have. It's perfect for reducing stress and even helps you sleep better. Place it near a sunny window and let its relaxing aroma fill your home. 4. Roses. Roses aren't just for the garden. Miniature rose varieties do great indoors, and their classic floral fragrance is simply timeless. Keep them in bright light, and they'll reward you with beautiful blooms and a naturally perfumed home. 5. Sweet alyssum, Lobularia maritima. Small but mighty, sweet alyssum gives off a honey-like scent that's perfect for small spaces. It blooms for months, filling your home with a light, sweet fragrance that's never overpowering. 6. Scented geraniums, Pelargonium spp. These aren't just pretty flowers. Scented geraniums come in varieties that smell like roses, citrus, or even chocolate. Rubbing the leaves releases their natural fragrance, making them a fun and aromatic addition to any space. 7. Eucalyptus, Eucalyptus cinerea. Eucalyptus brings a refreshing, spa-like scent into your home. Its minty, clean aroma is perfect for clearing the air, and dried eucalyptus branches in a vase can keep your space smelling fresh for weeks. 8. Tuberose, Polyanthes tuberosa. This flower is famous in perfumes, and for good reason. Tuberose has a strong, luxurious scent that intensifies in the evening. If you want a plant that fills your space with a rich floral aroma, this is it. 9. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. Love citrusy scents? Lemon balm is like having a natural air freshener in your home. It's easy to grow in a pot, and just brushing against its leaves releases a fresh, lemony fragrance. Hyacinth, Hyacinthus orientalis. Hyacinths are the ultimate spring scent. Their strong, sweet fragrance fills an entire room, making them perfect for adding a fresh floral aroma to your home. Plus, they come in a variety of colors to brighten up any space. Who needs artificial air fresheners when you have these natural beauties? Let us know in the comments which fragrant flower is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant-filled inspiration.